my first order right away. This is going to be, I think, a triple stack from Walmart. I think it said like $38 going about 12 miles, something like that. Well, it took a lot longer than I expected to get here, but I made it. Hopefully it comes out in a timely manner.
You have a good one.
Yeah, you too. All right, it's literally 3 things. 3 people, 3 things. Yeah, I knew this was gonna be the issue with these orders, besides them potentially not being ready on time. It's still dark, so I'm not really used to trying to drop stuff off when I can't see anything. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna get out because I can't see. Might be this one. They had the tiniest little number right in front of their porch. Impossible to see. There's a gate here. What does it say? Delivery drivers, please bring packages up to the front door. Thank you very much. Snacks and drinks in the cooler. All right. So it looks like it took me just about 30 minutes from when I received the orders to that final drop off. So I'd say that's pretty good. Plus I got a Rice Krispie treat out of it. So we're doing good today. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's $10 going 5 miles.
It's both of these. Thank you.
Oh, of course it's upstairs. Finally got an order. This one is crumble cookies, $7.75 going 3 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Oh, it looks like it's their birthday. The little note on the box says, "Happy birthday, love mom and dad." How cute.
No candy for me this year. I'm afraid I don't have the stomach for it.
Got this order right away. This is for Starbucks, $7.75 going 3 miles.
And this is the food items, okay?
Thank you. Let's go ahead and give this one a shot. We've got an IHOP, $11 going 6 miles. We'll see how busy they are today. Well, this place looks pretty empty, so this might be ready for me.
Sign up for me. Here you are.
Thank you. Ow. Oh, I just slammed the door on myself. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol, $11.25 going 5.5 miles, 4 items. Two of these. It's not this, is it? Apparently it is. 2 of these. Mind if I get a good picture? You won't be in it if you don't want.
No, it's fine.
Looks like we're going back to the liquor store. We've got another shop and deliver. This one's gonna be $11 going 6 miles, only 1 item. I think it's this.
That was fast.
That was fast. Yeah, I didn't get that a lot.
sorry, the dog. Oh, he's sweet. He won't.
No, just super cute. And then just a scribble on that line. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $11 going 5 miles, 5 items. And it looks like it's all the same thing. So picking up 5 chicken noodle soups. Whole family must be sick. This 5 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5. Just got my next order. This is going to be for McDonald's. $7 and some change, going less than 2 miles.
Have you been?
Thank you very much.
Pardon?
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Thank you. Next order up is a shop and deliver for PetSmart. This is $11 and some change, going 5.5 miles, 2 items. Looks like we're shopping for kitty litter and a litter box. Something like this. What is this one? Why would you get disposable litter boxes? Unless they're like traveling or something, maybe? Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. $14.25, going 5.5 miles, 6 items.
First dasher came early, like 20 minutes early. I was still asleep,
Scribble on that line. Oh, really?
and I missed him. So we returned the stuff to the store.
Oh,
I'm like,
no.
it's close to the chef here. Pause.
Sure.
Thank you so very much. Put
no
it in the
problem.
red box here.
Right here?
Thank you.
Yep. All right, I am really far away from home, so I'm gonna start driving over. I'll leave the apps running just in case, but most likely, if this is the last clip you see, then you'll know I'm done for the day. Current time is 11:44. Current total is 134, and it looks like I have only 1 Uber tip yet to come in, so probably around 140. Not too bad, not too bad. Anyways, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.